Okay, guys, we continue touching the fundamental of boxing skill. Is the way I using especially for all fighter from the beginning, develop and the high performance fighter already, world champion and that level. Today, I like to touch the structure of the fundamental of boxing skill. We start with the guard position, and then we coming down from guard position to a step, and then from a step to punch to defense. So today the topic I like to go with you guys is the combination, the step with punch. Is the same way in the fourth direction. At first, I try to show you the very basic way of teaching the step with punch, and after that, I try to introduce some exercise I call in the special variable exercise of boxing, where it helped me a lot. I've been using for many years, more than 35 years I've been using this system. It will been helping me a lot with different fighters in different continents I've been. So I think this method is very useful, and I will do my best to make you understand and see how to apply it. Okay, so when we are talking about the punch with the step, if you remember, we start with the guard position over knee. It's important, that's why always I like to tell everyone about the knee position, the front foot. Many fighters try to keep straight, but for me always, I try to bring in, so it will be the break of the move. So we got there, we made a little soft the knee, bend the knee a little bit, and then the hip, and then we turn. So if we see, we talk about the step, front, back, left, right. This is a flat step. But now, if we like to introduce the same step, I like to introduce punch by punch. For example, I go in front with jab, stand the jab, and I like everyone see, I will break down the move. Number one, when I stand the jab with my front foot, and then when I recover my move, I have to step with the right. Many fighters like to step long and then recover, and I stay too wide, open. So for me, always I call it a step, but at the same time it's like a stamp, because it has to be short step. So we start forward now with a jab, 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 jab. Now, if I doing jab to the body, it's the same way. Jab and recover, jab, recover. Let's say I go backward. So I'm moving my back foot at the same time, jab, jab. Backward with the body, jab to the body. Jab, jab. Okay, now I go to the left. Jab, 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 jab. I go to the right side. Jab, 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 jab. So, if you can see, we got the four punch with the four flat step in the four direction. Forward, backward, left, and right. Very simple, very basic. But it's important, come always to the basics. Now, let's say about the right. The right hand, the same thing. Many fighters, I'm telling you guys, many fighters try to keep the knee out So they made shorter the extension of the right. So always I pinpoint the same point. Try to keep your right knee looking forward. So I will do now the right forward, backward, to the left, to the right. Forward, bam. Forward, bam. Right to the body, forward, bam. Right up, bam. To the body, bam. Now I will go backward. I'm moving my back foot, one. I go down, one. Okay, so we got right, forward, and backward. Okay, now I like to show to you guys the right hand to the left and to the with the step. We go to the left now, right. Go to the left now, right, body. Go to the right now. Go to the right now, body. And always I keep my 4 fundamentals. Step, the direction with punch. If you can see, we already touched the very basic, straight punch in the 4 direction with the same move. So that's why I gave to you guys before the 3 block, okay, guard position, step, punch, and defense. Now I like to link step with punch, so you will see all together. So I like to keep now, we're talking now, we have one thing in boxing, I believe they have to make very clear series of punch and combination of punch. Series of punch is the one kind of punch in more than 2, because we have left and right. And then we can say series of punch. For example, it's very simple. Let's say 1, 2, forward. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, backward. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2 to the body, forward. 1, 2. Backward. 1, 2. 1, 2 to the left side. 1, 2. 1, 2 to the right side. 1, 2. 1, 2 body. 1, 2. 1, 2 body. 1, 2. So if you can see how many to me, the 1, 2 combination is the classic combination. 1, 2 series of straight right, left and right. Okay, 1, 2. Why now I like to touch throwing series, but in combination, because we got 2 levels, to the head, to the body. One example, I will throw the 1 to the head, right to the body. Very useful and very top fighter. 1 to the head, right to the body. Okay? I like to change. 1 to the body, 1 to the head. So if you see, I can call this, I combine the level of the punch. And this can do in all direction. So, but it's a basic what I try to talk to you now, only a straight punch in 4 directions, in different way. They have another one, this one being using in very high performance athlete, fighter. There is the one with the, we're calling it with the diagonal way. One example, I can do forward, I can do backward. But if you see, let's say, backward. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay? Now, I will do the same diagonal, but forward. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, straight only. Bam, bam. We can do the same way. We can do the same way. Same way. So, now you see in general, very basic, straight punch with a step, forward, backward, side to side. Now, I like to touch following the hook. You remember why I always say for me the uppercut is the more complex punch, so need another in biomechanics another mechanism to trick the punch. So I like to show to you guys hook, left hook, forward, left hook, backward, left hook to the right, left, and left hook to the right. The same fundamental. I will break down the move. 1, 2, recover. 1, 1, 1, 1. Now backward. 1, 1, 1. Now I go to the left side. 1. 1. Go to the right side. 1, 1. Forward, backward, left, right. So now you can see left hook with the forward direction, up and down. Right hook. The right hook is very useful most of the time in the professional fighter. In amateur, you can see less right hook. Can use, of course, but at the real time, more in professional, because you need to be very grounded. If you see the difference in between amateur and professional is the position, the motion during the fight. So in a right hook, we have to come forward, 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 forward. Okay, backward, bang, backward, bang, backward, bang. Right side, left side, bang, bang, bang. Right side, bang, bang. So if you see, already we got straight and hook, forward, backward, left and right. And the very, very simple way of throwing it. So from now, we can call combination. Why combination? Because it's two different way of throwing punch. Let's say a straight punch with the hook, forward. Straight punch with the hook, backward, side to side. So let's say, jab, hook is a combination. Double jab, hook, jab, hook, backward, jab, hook, jab, hook, left side, jab, hook, jab, hook, right side, jab, hook, jab, hook. So, one way of talking about the combination. Okay? So we have a straight punch with step for direction, hook for direction, left and right, forward, backward, left and right, combination, the jab and hook. Now I like to give to you combination right and hook. Okay? Forward. Moving with my right. If you see, I rotate, I bring my body weight and look my hand for the hook. So, ping, and forward. Body out and backward. Pam, pam, backward. Hand. Left. Hey. Right. Pam. And. So, if you see left, straight, left with combination the hook, straight, right with combination the hook, or can be vice versa. Start with hook, finish with straight. Can use multiple. It's depending of each and every fighter style.